If you want to give power to your wife, do these 3 things to her during intercourse. Number 1, a woman's physical fitness. During intercourse, when the man ejaculates, in the woman's vagina, the semen falls on the uterus in the woman's vagina. A woman's body gets strength from a man's semen. A woman's physical needs are fulfilled and the woman stays fit. Apart from this, the physical weakness of the woman is completely eliminated by semen. Number 2, a woman's heat and lust decreases. During intercourse, when man ejaculates in a woman's vagina. So, the heat of the man's body goes out in the private part of the woman, and male body parts work better than before. Ejaculation gives a man full sexual and physical pleasure and comfort. A woman is physically fit and satisfied. And the germs in semen make a woman's body very beautiful and powerful. Number 3, staying young and getting pregnant. During intercourse, a man ejaculates in the vagina of a woman, so the woman always stays young and the skin of the woman stays fresh. If a man wants to impregnate a woman, the man must ejaculate on top of the woman's uterus. Because with it a woman becomes pregnant very easily, and a woman stays young and beautiful for a long time by the power of semen. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.